Good afternoon, everybody from Pleasantville. How's everybody doing? Here we are. This is one of our big boys. This one is MTH 4005, and it has a lot of details on it. As you can see, it's a beautiful locomotive. I don't know if you guys can see the conductor in there too. He's in there, and it does smoke, and it runs beautiful. We're still working on this part of the layout. You guys already have seen the other section of the layout, but this one is in progress. We did put the ground cover in this section. We're still working on it though. We just wanted to share with you guys what part.